To factory reset your Samsung A14 to sell, first we will open the settings, and I would recommend backing up all of your data before we proceed with the factory reset. So if that's something you're interested in, scroll all the way down until you see accounts and backup. In this one, we can back up to Samsung Cloud, back up to Google Drive, or do the external storage transfer. You can transfer from your old phone to a new phone if you have it present with you with the Smart Switch app. If you search on YouTube how to transfer data to Samsung, you'll find my dedicated video. Go back to the home page settings, then scroll all the way down until you see General Management. In this one, we're going to scroll down again and we're going to select the reset option. Then we will scroll down and we want to use the factory data reset option. So once we go into this one, this is going to wipe everything. Your photos, literally everything that's on your phone will be gone. It will be like it's brand new. You may see videos showing they enter this recovery mode and they do a hard reset, but it doesn't remove the Google account in that way, and so a new owner wouldn't actually be able to use the phone. So through this way, we'll just scroll all the way down and then select the reset option when you're happy. And then you enter in your login and then you tap delete all. At any time, you can go in and eject your SIM card. There's no specific time, which is the most ideal. So you can do it before the reset, after the reset. Make sure when you plan on selling the phone that any spare SIM cards or SD card have been removed from the phone, and we're done.